Hey Skill Squad, if you've ever dreamed of starting your own lemonade stand, this is your sign to go for it. Whether you're 11, 13, or just want to try something fun and make your own money, I've got everything you need to know to make your first lemonade stand a total success. Let's break it all down. Location matters. Set up where there's foot traffic, like near a park, at a neighborhood garage sale, or during a sports game or community event. Always ask for permission if it's not your yard, and if it's public property, make sure it's okay with an adult. You don't need to overdo it. Just 1 or 2 lemonade flavors like classic and strawberry is perfect. Have a cooler of ice, cups, napkins, and a trash bag. If you want to be extra, offer a sugar-free or natural option for adults walking by. Start with $1 per cup and go up based on your ingredients and effort. Use signs that say $1 per cup. Let people donate more if they want. They usually do. Keep your bills and coins in a money pouch or small lockbox. Here's a bonus tip. Offer a 3 for $2.50 deal to encourage bigger sales. Now this part makes or breaks your traffic. Make sure to use bright colors and big letters. Try using words like cold, fresh, and homemade. And don't forget to add a cute lemon drawing or maybe even an emoji. You can also play soft music or wear a fun hat to grab attention. So here's what you'll need for a smart setup. A table, folding chairs, a tablecloth, and cups facing forward. Super simple, right? And don't forget to keep a trash bag hidden but nearby. Here's a pro tip. Have a thank you sign out front. It adds a really nice touch, and honestly, people love it. Even if you only make just a few bucks, this is your first business. So, make sure you write down what you spent, count how much you made, and keep track of what worked. Like which flavors sold best, what times were busiest, and which locations got the most customers. You'll learn how to budget and plan for next time, and that's a skill you'll use way beyond lemonade stands. If you want to boost your sales, try offering mini cookies or brownies, or maybe some fun straws for 25 cents extra. You could even do a buy one gift one option for someone in need. People love extras and they like to have reasons to support you. Running a lemonade stand is about more than just making money. It teaches you how to plan, how to talk to people, how to be confident, and how to solve problems. And most of all, it's fun. You're doing something real, and that's powerful. If you've ever had a lemonade stand or you want to start one now, drop a lemon emoji in the comments so I can cheer you on. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more smart skills that school forgot to teach you. You've got this, future CEO.